Indulge your taste senses and fuel your body with the ultimate treat. A velvety, thick, and delicious smoothie bowl. Blend frozen banana, berries, protein powder, unsweetened almond milk, and almond or peanut butter in a blender for a nutritious and delicious treat. Blend until smooth and voila, your base is ready. What makes this smoothie bowl a must-try? Consider the pleasure of a chilled, creamy, and tasty experience that takes only minutes to prepare. This energy bowl is a healthy, guilt-free treat with fiber and protein, suitable for vegan dietary needs. Now, here's the fun part, the toppings. Add fresh banana slices, berries, granola, and almond or peanut butter to your bowl for a delightful crunch and added indulgence. Add chia seeds, coconut for sweetness, or even chocolate chips for a dessert-like touch. And fear not the dreaded runny bowl, we've got you covered. To maintain a thick and delicious smoothie bowl, consider adding frozen treats, protein powder, avocado, or chia seeds. Ready to dive into a world of flavor, texture, and wholesome goodness. Blend, pour, and customize to your heart's content. Your delightful journey to a healthier, tastier you begin with a bowl and a spoon. Set out on a culinary adventure with a delicious creation. The healthy and delicious smoothie bowl. This isn't your average smoothie. It's a symphony of flavors and textures, rich, creamy, and delicious with a spoon. You may be wondering why you should create this smoothie bowl. Because it contains all the benefits of a classic smoothie. Chilled, creamy, and delicious. Crafting this wholesome treat is a breeze. It all comes together in no time. For a nutritious smoothie, combine frozen banana, berries, protein powder, unsweetened almond milk, and almond or peanut butter. Blend till smooth, then pour the delightful mixture into a bowl and top with your favorite toppings. The beauty of this bowl lies not only in its taste but in its nutritional prowess. It's rich in fiber and protein and makes for a filling breakfast or guilt-free snack. Furthermore, it's a versatile canvas for dietary concerns, with gluten-free, dairy-free, or vegan options available, ensuring equality in every spoonful. Now, let's delve into the art of assembling the ultimate smoothie bowl. The frozen banana, protein powder, frozen berries, and almond milk base sets the setting for a delicious experience. Feel free to swap the banana for frozen avocado or mango, or even frozen zucchini for a unique twist. A touch of sweetness, whether from maple syrup, dates, or honey, completes the picture. The real fun begins with the toppings, a playground of possibilities. Fresh banana slices, cherries, granola crunch, and the luxury of almond or peanut butter are only the beginning. Add chia seeds for healthy fats and texture, coconut for sweetness and crunch, or chocolate chips or melted chocolate for a decadent touch to your dish. But what if your smoothie bowl turns out too runny? Fear not. For a thick, spoon-worthy texture, combine frozen fruit, protein powder, avocado, chia seeds, or less liquid in a bowl. You can even use xanthan gum as a quick thickener in moderation, of course. Armed with these tips, blend your way to a culinary masterpiece. Pour your smoothie into a bowl, top with your favorite toppings, and enjoy right away. Because all you need is a powerful blender, this culinary adventure is accessible to everyone. In conclusion, the healthy and delicious smoothie bowl is not a recipe. It's an experience. A flood of flavors, a symphony of textures, and a celebration of health. This bowl is your ticket to a delicious and healthy culinary retreat. So, blend, pour, and savor the joyous creation that awaits in each spoonful. Make a healthy and delicious smoothie bowl by focusing on nourishing your health while also pleasing your taste senses. The variety of ingredients and toppings enhances the unique experience. It allows for creative expression in each bowl. The smoothie bowl enables you to enjoy the goodness of health and flavor, whether it's a nutritious breakfast or a guilt-free snack. So, combine and pour this delectable delicacy. Enjoy the pleasure of a thick, creamy, and wonderful experience with each spoonful. Cheers to your culinary escapade. Enhance your mornings with a flavor blast. Try the healthy and delicious smoothie bowl right now to experience a symphony of creamy bliss and bright toppings. Blend, pour, and relish a spoonful of pure delight. Your taste buds will thank you. Are you ready to go on a culinary journey? Start blending. Subscribe now for a delectable journey culinary delights.